This is an AIPMT question 2014 in thermodynamics. It is given that a monatomic gas, its gamma is 5 by 3. He did not give it, but he has given to make it even our job more simple. Having volume V, pressure P, expands isothermally to a volume 2V. So there are two steps in the problem. So let's give a second. In step 1, what happened is, in isothermal way. What do you mean by isothermal way? The process in which temperature of a system is kept a constant. Initial pressure is P, initial volume is V. This volume is expanded to a volume 2V. Then what happens to new pressure P dash? We don't know, we have to calculate. Let me stop there and calculate this part first. Being temperature is constant, in step 1, what we can say is Boyle's law is valid. This PV is constant, that is P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. It is given that P1 is P, V1 is V, P2 is how much we don't know, we call that as P dash. Volume is changed to 2V. So V and V will cancel. So the pressure after the first step P2 equal to P by 2. That was said indirectly. And what is said is, then it is adiabatically changed to a volume 16V. So after step 1, it was moved further to what it was given, like we can write in step 2, from where what are the initial volumes? Initial pressure is not P, it's now P by 2. And volume, it was already changed to 2V. It is changed to 16V. If that is the case, what is the new pressure is, where the process is adiabatic process. We know when the process is adiabatic process, Boyle's law is not valid. Rather, PV power gamma is constant. That is, P1 V1 power gamma equal to P2 V2 power gamma. We have to calculate this P2, that is the final P2 of adiabatic process, right? As already I have called this as P2 in this equation. I'll call this as P3. We have to calculate that P3 after the second step. So let us substitute the data and see what happens. Yes. See. So what I can write? After adiabatic process, that is after the thermodynamic process like isothermal process is over. P1 V1 power gamma. P1 is no more P1, rather it has changed to P by 2. V1 means after the isothermal process, volume is changed to 2V power gamma. Gamma of monoatomic gas is already given for you as 5 by 3. PV power gamma I am writing equal to new pressure. We have to calculate. I am calling it like P dash or P double dash, whatever. V is changed from 2V to 16V. Power of gamma is again 5 by 3. Let us simplify this. So let us simplify this further. P by 2, 2 power of 5 by 3, and V power of 5 by 3 on the left hand side is P double dash, 16 power of 5 by 3 and V power of 5 by 3. So V power of 5 by 3 on both sides can be cancelled. I need not know that value at all. So P by 2, 2 power of 5 by 3 equal to P double dash, we have to find out 16 power of 5 by 3. So P double dash, that what we have to calculate is P by 2, 2 by 16 power of 5 by 3. I got this 16 into the denominator. As powers are same, they can be divided in the base. So that is p by 2. 2 by 16 is 1 by 8, power of 5 by 3. P by 2, 1 by 8 can be written like 1 by 2 power 3, 5 by 3. This 3 and this 3 can be cancelled in the powers. So P by 2, 1 by 2 power 5. 1 by 2 power 5 is 1 by 32. P by 32 and 2 is P by 64. So the answer for the problem is P by 64. So this is a very simple problem. We need to calculate using the very definition of Boyle's law as well as the adiabatic process. That's how we solve this problem. Thank you for watching.